In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com. This integration will help streamline your workflow by keeping all your communications in one central hub. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. If this is your first time signing into Monday, you'll be prompted to log in either using your Google account or an email address that's associated with your Monday.com account. For those of you who have logged in before, you'll be seamlessly directed to your Monday workspace without any additional steps. Now, let's move on to integrating Outlook with your Monday.com account. Head over to the board where you want to create an integration. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see the Integration button. Click on it to start setting up your email integration. When the search bar appears, type in Outlook to filter the available options. This will help you find the Outlook integration more quickly. After typing Outlook, you'll see a banner for the Outlook integration. Click on that banner to move forward. By selecting the Outlook integration banner, you will then be presented with a range of templates that the integration offers. This is where you get to decide how the integration will work best for your specific needs. Once you find a template that suits you, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a prompt asking you to connect your Monday.com account with your Outlook account. It's crucial to follow the prompts carefully to ensure a smooth integration. Next, you'll be asked to choose which email account you'd like to associate with Monday.com. This step finalizes the connection between your accounts, and it's essential to select the correct email address that aligns with your workflow requirements. And there you have it, your account is now successfully connected to Outlook, opening up a world of possible automation and communication enhancements. Now you're ready to build templates tailored to improve how you communicate with your team. This integration not only saves you time, but also ensures that you and your team stay organized and efficient. We hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to explore the variety of templates available and pick the ones that best suit your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a productive day integrating your communication tools.